Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into AXA employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your desktop, open up any web browser that you want and on the search URL type in AXA employee login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on this search results. From here, click on this link that says Employee Benefits Portal. That will take you to the employee portal. Now in order to log in your account, click on this login button from the left hand side of this interface. Then you will be taken to login page. Now again on the left hand side, there you will get a login form. There, first of all, enter your correct username that must be valid, and under that, enter your password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your password. Now if you are done typing in your username and your password, click on this login the portal button and then you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you can log into AXA employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any other further updates from our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.